Hey guys, okay, so I have a Dom 5-pin Euro, half a double Euro. Lovely lock. I mean, I was excited to get one Dom, I ended up getting two, so yeah. Verande von Sebastian MiniPotti 313. There we are, I'm butchering more German. So I believe it's modified by Sebastian, son of Potti 314. And this is one of the locks that Sebastian did for me. The key is mummified, so it's still in there, wrapped up in tape as well. Yeah, so this is one of 3 challenge locks, and I'm really glad I did not choose this one out of the packet when they sent them to me, because I would have still been there picking it. I'm not kidding. It took me over an hour to get my first open on this. A lot of it was figuring out what picks to use and whatever, but yeah. So I'm going to use my 20 thousandths gem replica that I made myself and DeForest. Now, because this is such a good lock, and because I just think they need to be out and about in circulation, if you would like this lock, I'm going to sort of raffle it off at the at the end. Just leave something in the comments in brackets, and I'll jot you down, give you a number. I'll put you in a hat, because obviously I can do that. There's not too many, and I will choose you at random. So I won't make the decision. I will randomize it. And I'll get it out in the post to you. So yeah, and I'll do that with a few down the line that I'm doing, okay? So yeah, just leave something in there, because it's such a good lock, and I've got more I'll get rid of before long. So I'm going to start with this one. Yeah, like I said, I have been playing with it for about, well, it took me an hour or so to get the first open on it. So and then I suppose I've opened it 4 or 5 times since, mainly because it's still tricky. I'm not sure you're seeing that, right? So yeah, this is sort of a bit of a bulldozer to work its way through and get the pins up. It took me a while to figure out that these 2 picks are the ones that actually opened the lock. So okay, so I'm not going to tell you what I know. I'm going to keep quiet about it. So I'll just say, yeah, that was a false set on 3. A little bit further on 5. Okay, a little bit on 4. Okay, a little bit more on 3. So tight in there, you just literally have got no room to maneuver. A little bit on 4. There we go, open on 3. So, shall we have a look at the key? Thank you, Sebastian. It's a fantastic lock. I mean, absolutely great effort. It's another, I mean, it's totally tricked me for a long time. Oh, wow. I now see why I needed the trick that I did. Okay. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, that does. So we got a high 2 and a high 5 and a low 1, 3. Yeah, it's weird on the 3, because you do pick that. Anyway, I'm saying no more, but there we go. There is the key. Yeah, so I'm going to butcher some more German. Denken Sie daran, junger Mann, ich komme Sie. I am Coming to get you. Right, let's get her open. That was specially learnt for you. I've not suddenly been taking German classes. I've been on Google Translate. Okay, so through. Ooh. Oh, it's making more and more sense all the way. Right. No wonder it took me an hour. Good gosh. You're seeing that? No, you're not seeing that. Okay. Sorry, apologies. Apologies. Okay. So one's a standard. So all the key pins actually are the sort of torpedoes. I'll give you a closer look in a minute. They're fantastic pins, but things are making a lot more sense now. Lovely, lovely pins. 2 is a spool. Yeah, that's making sense too. Okay. 3 is a standard. 4 is a crazy serrated. And number 5 is another crazy serrated. Wow. Oh, are they those? Oh, they're not serrated. Sorry. Are they these wafer pin things? No, they are serrated. Yeah, they are serrated. Sorry, I thought they were the DOM wafer pin things. And we do have threading, so let me just give you a close up. I'll just take the zoom off. Okay, so down the bottom, you will see we have got all 5 key pins are torpedoes. Fantastic, aren't they? So yeah, it's making sense now, seeing the pins, what was going on, the feeling I was getting. So yeah, beautiful pins. And then at the top, we've got a standard, a spool, a standard, and then 2 very nice serrated pins on the end. Just pop that back there. And in the plug, we have got a serrated, one is this side. So 1, 4, and 5. So that is the DOM challenge lock, given to me by Sebastian MiniPotti 313. I learned this a while ago, so yeah, I hope I'm still sort of remembering the numbers bit of it. And just because I learned this bit, denken Sie daran, junger Mann, ich komme Sie. Thank you ever so much for watching. Leave comments if you want the lot. Just put yes please or send it to me or something like that. I'll randomize it and we will go from there. Thank you very much, guys. Take it easy. Catch you all very soon. Be good.